everybody. Tyler, Rem, and Jason here from Team CO.F.F. And we're here to do a little fishing. Nothing special today, no tournaments, no how-tos, no technique stuff. It's just a gorgeous day in Colorado. And
local fishing day.
Yeah, local fishing day. When the weather's this nice, I mean, you gotta get your lines in the water. I mean, the super sunshine, hot weather does kind of make for a tough bite sometimes, but you know what? We're happy just to be on the water. So we're gonna be going for some pike, maybe some walleye, some smallmouth, some perch.
Rainbow brown.
There's rainbows in here. There is browns in here too, but there's monster pike. That's what most people come up here to fish anyways. We're in Rifle Gap. But yeah, hopefully we land into something huge. Smallmouth. Oh, yeah, got on him. Little dinker, but hey, getting him.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Jay Hookset from Team CO.F.F. So the team and I have moved spots. We're at another reservoir. It's right around the corner from where we just came from, and the water quality is looking better. The wind is a little less heavier, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this spot a try and see how it goes.
Something's definitely up with Sam's reel. Oh. Yep. Yep. Dude, it's a largemouth. I didn't think they had largies in here either. Oh yeah. Feels good to get that. Yep. Oh, he came off, I think. Yeah, he came off. It was a perch. Oh, geez, there's a school right here. I have a school of perch right here. I felt tugs and I pulled and he didn't have it fully, and then there's a whole school following him. See if I can get the alpha. It's got some nibbles too. Oh. Yeah, I had a sight fish that one. We're catching bass and perch today, guys. Also got some lures that I found here in the weeds. Now this is just a little spoon, nothing special about that, but this is looks like a brand new BX Brett 3-inch. It's that balsa series that Rapala makes, and I catch a lot of fish on these, so yeah, pretty sweet to find this. All right, guys, so there's perch. Whoa, dude, look how huge. Well, I don't know what that is. That's huge. Dude, you can't see. You gotta come over here. Hurry. Dude, that was enormous. I hope I got some of that on. That was insane. Dude, I'm not playing, dude. That was huge. I wish I could show you what I saw in my, like upload an SD card in my eyes. You know? I don't know if you could see it on footage. I'm just talking right now. I haven't looked at the preview, but that was, I don't know what that was. That was a huge silhouette though. Maybe a pike, maybe a giant cat. The front end of it looked a lot thicker. That's why I didn't think it was a pike, but it was, I mean, I've seen some big lake trout. I've seen some big pike. I've never caught a monster trophy myself. My dad's caught a couple. My grandpa caught one in front of me. But that thing was just huge. Well, you know, guys, it wasn't the best fishing day, but you know, we still caught some fish. Pretty surprising catch, as we labeled here in the video. Didn't think there was largemouth here in Rifle Gap. I guess we found out to be true today. Even when we're dealing with slow bites like this, again, like I said in the beginning of the video, it's nice to get outside because here's what we're doing and here's what we're fishing. This is the other lake that we walked to. I mean, it's just gorgeous out. Sorry for the wind again. But yeah, guys, until next time, Team CO.F.F. signing out. Peace.